Can you hear me now?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. So I'm back again with another hair tutorial, and this is a natural looking kinky curly hair tutorial. Okay, so I start off with blow dried hair. So her hair's been blow dried, and I'm just going to comb it out and brush it out, so get all the tangles and knots out. I then go in with my Sof'n free Moroccan Argan oil gel around the circumference of her head. So I just go around and shaping the type of bun that I want. So if you want a normal slick bun up, just go and copy what I'm doing right now. But obviously if you want a parting or side part, middle part, you have to do the part first and then use the gel to mold that into place as well. So whichever style you're going for, just use the gel to mold the style into place, and then go in with your hard brush and just continue to mold the style into a bun. I then secure the bun using a normal scrunchie. If you haven't noticed, all of the hairbands and scrunchies that I use in all of my hair tutorials, none of them have the metal buckle bit. They're all just like the material, because the metal bit catches some hairs, so it tends to tug on your hair and pull it out. So I try not to use those ones. Well, I don't have those ones to use anyway. I then go in with the Got2b glue in the black bottle, and this just makes the hair more sleek. So I just put that around where I put the other gel and brush it through. I then use the Got2b spray to just spritz it and keep the shape as well. The Got2b spray literally holds whatever style you have for so long. It's so good for long lasting hairstyles that you want to do, especially for natural hair. I then use the Dark and Lovely Moisture Seal Leave-In Styling Mist just to go over that, because it's ideal for wraps and blow drying and setting kind of hairstyles. So I just use that, and then I put a headscarf on her hair and I blow dry the style into place. Blow dry for about 10 minutes. Ideally, if you have a hair dryer that you can sit under, you know the massive ones in the hair salon, the dryers that you can sit in. Ideally, if you have that, use that, because it will be so much better than holding the hair dryer. But if you don't, and you're like me, you can just use a handheld hairdryer. It works the same, just you have to do more work, but it still works the same. Okay, once the hair is set and you're happy with it, then you can begin to crochet in the bun. So I just use a normal crochet needle. Take one piece of the hair, I put the needle through with it being closed. I put it through, then I open it and I put the hair and hook it onto the needle. I then close it and pull it through. And I'm using this hair I actually got from Ghana, so I don't have a link for it down below. But if you go to any beauty supply store for our type of hair, you will find the correct Mali hair. Just ask for Mali hair or kinky hair and someone will direct you to the aisle. And just look for a texture that looks similar to your curl pattern. It works best if you find a texture and colour that's similar to your hair, because then it just looks like your hair. I hope that makes sense, but that's literally how you crochet. I continue to do this until the bun looks a good size, or until she's happy with the size of the bun. And I also tend to weave in and out with the hair that's already in the bun, just because I'm trying to style it so it just looks like she's put her hair up in a bun. So yeah guys, I just play around with that and make it look as natural as possible, and that's it, literally. So simple, so quick, so easy, and it can be done in literally half an hour.